everyone, I hope you all are having an awesome morning. Just a quick one. I wanted to show some of us how the steps I use in doing a baby romper. So I have searched everywhere for a free pattern, but unfortunately I haven't found one. The ones I found were a bit tricky to understand, so I decided to make one myself. So this is how I go about the first step. So when you get a pattern paper, you fold it into this way, and then you, depending on the style of your romper, this is how I draft my own pattern. This will be this will be the pattern. It makes sense when I turn it over and cut out the pattern for you. So I trace it, I make a tracing like so. Yeah, so like I was saying, it mustn't be perfect because it's a rough draft, isn't it? So this is how I draft it, and this will be where the baby's thighs will go, and then I cut. Yeah, I'll show you how it looks after cutting. You make sure you cut it around all this place, the lines you made. I'll show you how it looks when I finish cutting it, because I've got just two hands. So guys, this is what I had after cutting it, and when you open it this way, you see this will make the front of the romper, the style of romper I'm going for. So there you go, this is how it looks. So the style will be, after this one I will make another pant pattern that will go around the bottom here, and this will be the front panel of the romper, and then I'll make a long fabric rope which the baby will tie around its neck, and that's the end of the pattern making. Very simple. I promise you, this will all make sense when I finish making the clothing item, and I'll show you guys. Okay, hello guys, so this is a continuation of the first video I made, where I was showing you how I cut a front bodice baby romper pattern. So this is the pants part of the pattern. So how I did it was I drew a panty like drawing on my folded pattern paper like so, and so this is how the pattern looks. Yeah, trust me guys, I looked at some pictures on the internet to be able to get this right, but I didn't find any pattern. I just looked at other people's pattern they already created, and then tried to make mine freehand. So this is how it looks like. So I'll show you how it looks like when I cut it, and then it should make sense then. Okay, wow. So this is the outcome, guys. This is how it looks when you cut it and open the fabric pattern, because it wasn't fold. So this is how it looks, and apparently these end bits are made so that when you folding the ends for the casing to pass through your elastic, it wouldn't be you wouldn't struggle. So it's making room for the fabric, for the elastic to be passed through these bits. Yeah, this is how it looks when I saw other people's pictures, and I hope when I eventually make this romper, it'll turn out nice. I'll make sure to carry all of you along, so stay with me. Yeah, thanks for sticking by, and have a good day. Bye.